My name is Kamal Nansing and my shop name is Auto Music Emporium. We are one of the biggest shop in Karolbagh market and we are specialized in car audio, seat covers, mat, car lighting products, and one of the biggest brand which I am selling at my shop is Pioneer. We have all Pioneer range available with us.
Hi everyone, this is Shikhar Agarwal. I am using this Creta 20. So I researched on YouTube and Google everywhere. I found Auto Music Emporium, a shop in Karolbagh.
Owner of the Creta car came to us and he told us that he was not satisfied with the current OEM system audio output. He needs more bass, more punch.
This car came with the company fitted stereo and company fitted speakers, OEM speakers you must say. I am not getting that much enjoyment while driving.
I suggested him Pioneer TSWX 300TA.
After that installation, I am more than happy, more than satisfied with the product. It is totally plug and play to each and every car.
Pioneer also has an excellent audio simulation application, that is Car SoundFit app, that help us to demonstrate to customer even before installing that what kind of products we are installing and what kind of difference they will get after installing the products. And it's a very good application. Everyone can install, even iPhone or Android phones.
Now my car is more enjoyable while driving. I am enjoying each and every ride whenever I am driving.
In the last, I want to tell everyone, go for the brands only, and Pioneer is the biggest brand in car audio. If you want to upgrade anything in car head units, speakers, amplifiers, woofers, bass tube, even DSP, go for Pioneer. It's a Japanese product and highly recommended. Thank you.
Pioneer India is doing a really great job. Thanks to Auto Music Emporium, the product is value for money.